Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Naya here. Hope you guys are having a great week so far, or a great weekend, whichever time you're watching this video. So guys, in this video I'll be installing this wig from Wigginshair. So let's move on to unboxing the wig. So they sent me their U-part Kinky straight wig. So guys, the quality of the hair is pretty amazing. It is long, it is thick, and the wig has an adjustable strap. As you can see, it also has 3 attachment combs on the sides and also 5 clips. The wig feels so soft and silky, and it is very full. They also included some wig cap, edge brush, comb, setting dust bag, and other items. So guys, let's move on to installation. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to prep my own hair. So here I'm just going in with my water to hydrate my hair and to also make it soft to work with. Next, I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. I just apply that to each section of my hair and make sure to just work it in. Next, I'm going to go ahead to just section out my leave out. Okay, so I just went ahead, section out a little amount of hair. Next is to prep the back section. So here I'm just adding more water to the rest of the hair. Since I don't want to cornrow my hair or anything, I want to just put it all in one big braid, but you can decide to cornrow. Whichever one you choose works fine. Okay, so I added more water because I want to get my hair as flat as possible. Okay, I also added more leave-in conditioner, then massage it in, then comb all the hair backwards. And once I'm satisfied with how flat it has gotten, I just went ahead to start braiding, and I just braid all the way to the end. Okay. And moving on to installation, I just cut off the tiny strap, okay, and then put the wig on. I make sure to then insert the attachment combs on the sides to secure them in place and also adjust the strap. And next I open up the clips like so, and then just insert it into my hair, and after that I just make sure to close it back up to secure them in place. So next is to blend the leave out with the wig. So what I'm doing here is just to unravel that leave out, okay, comb it out, and next I applied a heat protectant spray. So I am using this Cantu heat protectant spray, so I just applied it all over that area. Okay, I just made sure to be generous with that heat protectant spray. And after doing that, I just went ahead to massage it in, then comb that area out, comb that section out. And next I'm making use of my blow dryer, and I'm using this in the medium setting, as you can see. So I just went in with that to, you know, blow out that section, you know, slightly stretch it out. Okay, so since the wig is a kinky straight, my hair doesn't necessarily need to be entirely straight to properly blend with the wig. So after stretching out my hair, I just went ahead to do a middle part. So guys, with this V-part wig, you can also do different parts like side or middle, whichever one you prefer. I prefer middle part because it suits my face better, I think. So here I'm just going ahead to just comb my hair, just, you know, make sure it blends well with the wig. As you can see that the color is just the perfect color. Okay, it is seamless. Okay, you can't even tell where my hair starts from or where it ends, which I love. So I'm just going in with my blow dryer once again to, you know, just make everything seamless. Can you see how seamless it just blends? Guys, the blend is just so seamless. The color is perfect and you can't even tell where my hair stops. Okay, like I said, this is a 20-inch wig, so this just looks like I got my entire hair stretched out. This looks so good and I love the length. So standing up, guys, this is the full length. And you can also decide to coil it. So here I am going to use my electric coiler to make the coils, and you can also decide to do heatless coils with your flexi rods and the rest, which I can't wait to try out. So after coiling the unit, it just looks so good. I can't even decide which look I like the most. Okay, and I love that I can decide to wear this unit straight or have it coiled. It is super easy to install and take out. It just requires low maintenance. So guys, all details to this kinky straight V-part wig by Wigginshair are in my description below, so make sure you check them out. And this is where I'll be closing today's video. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.